going on, good people? Martina Britt Yelverton here. Trying to finish up this bowl of grits and eggs before we head out into these streets really quickly. Got a few errands I need to run. Just wanted to grab a quick minute of your time. Gonna give Facebook an opportunity to load. You said no, you didn't want any grits?
I did last time, but I'm good.
You had already put them in your bowl or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I tried to offer them.
You want some of mine? I have eggs in mine. Did you get the eggs too? Okay. What's going on, good people? Good to see all of you. As you see, I've titled this, What's Your Other $1 Million Plan? I just need a quick minute of your time. What's going on, Miss Betty? Did I pronounce that right? Maybe I should just say Miss Crawford Bell. What's going on to all of you on today? I hope your holidays are beyond amazing. Not all of us break it down at home and eat these things like old school grits and eggs. So that's what I'm actually sitting here getting ready to do. One of the tips I keep us from overspending when we're out and about is I try and always make sure that we eat before we leave the house, right? A lot of these restaurants, fast food places, have some of these crazy scores where you don't even want to eat at their restaurants. But sometimes when you're out and about, I don't know, you get an inkling in your head and you tell yourself, I really want, like you get, what is it, a craving for something. The munchies. And the next thing you know, you stop at the wrong restaurant just because you want it, I don't know, bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, french fries, something.
I'm a
flurry, whatever. Somehow you end up eating something that ends up messing you up for 2-3 days. All because you couldn't get over that one little craving, you know? It happens. Hey, Miss Bernita. You're not going to believe what I have on my list to get while I'm out. Everything for me to make some broccoli cheddar soup. Yes, I have it on my list, you know, because somebody is letting 2019 in without me getting another bowl of broccoli cheddar soup. So I guess I got to make my own again. What's going on, Elva? Good to see you, sis. We got big plans. I'm excited for what we're doing and where we're going. So, now that the holidays are upon us, and just about, what's going on, Noel? And just about to enter 2020, I have a couple of questions for you. And the first question is, what's your other $1 million plan? Like, we're about to enter a new decade. What are we going to do different? What are we going to try to do that we've not done before that's actually going to yield us what we have in our head? How are we going to get that manifested, you know, in front of us? What is your other $1 million plan? What course are you on? What trajectory are you on? What plans do you have to make that happen, right? So I'm going to be talking over the next 20 days. I know, Miss V. I'm going to have to keep calling you out till I get another bowl. I'm going to be talking over the next 20 days, giving you guys 20 tips, 20 ways, 20 minutes of my time, not in one sitting, but I'm going to be doing like 1 to 3 minute videos. And it's going to be talking to you guys about how to define, describe, develop, and duplicate to activate your 2020 vision. Like, I know we talk about having a 2020 vision. Everybody's on this course to get it done, on this path to get it done, moving in the direction. What's going on, Terrell? What's going on, Kim? Moving in this direction to get it done. But my question is, what are you going to do to get it done? What plan are you going to follow to get it done? Are you going to map out a plan before you even get started? What's going on, Miss Pauletta? Are you going to implement some steps before you actually jump out here and do it all over again? And if what you have done for years and years and years has not yielded you the results that you literally must have, what's going on, Dexter? That you must have, what are you going to do different? That's my question. So like I said, over the next 20 days, it's not starting today. I haven't decided which day I want it to start. I have to look at my calendar again and kind of line things up because I want it to start in a certain way. But I'm going to be taking 1 to 3 minutes over the course of probably a Monday through Friday. So it may start Monday, a Monday through Friday deal where I'm going to be talking to you 5 days out of the week. And we're going to be talking about how to define, how to describe, how to develop, and how to duplicate to activate your 2020 vision. Not just to have a 2020 vision, but we're going to activate it. We're going to put in place some things, some accountability, some mindset. And I'm going to give you a little bit of that information so we can figure out, and literally, when I say transparency, building it on the runway, we're building this on the runway. So we're going to be looking at the results as we do it. I wanted to do it together as a unit. It's not anything that you're going to have to opt into. You're not going to have to pay for it or anything. This is me just kind of giving you guys my plans for how to activate for 2020, okay? In whatever area you're trying to activate, but obviously it must start in your mind. The programming must get started in your mind and all of that. So that's what I'm literally going to be talking about. I'll have it live here. What's going on, Cynthia? What's going on, Angel? I'll have it live here on my Facebook page, and then I'll make sure I didn't do it this time. But after I finish up, I'll go share it to my business page. But I'll share it over to my business page just so that you guys can kind of follow along, participate if you would like. What's going on, Kristen? Participate if you would like. But just to give you clarity on what it is that you need to be doing to set yourself up for activation in 2020, right? A lot of us are ready for these new year plans, and we have new year goals, and we have things that we want to do, but we literally don't have a plan in place. So that's my goal, to try to take, a couple of videos, take a little bit of time, share with you guys how we want to define it first. Because we must define what it is that we want. We must say what it is that we want. We must write out what it is that we want so that we can see it start to happen, right? And my goal is to literally, what's going on, Cheryl, my sister? My goal is literally to let you guys do it with me, to kind of travel these highways and byways of this journey with me, how to see how we're going to build this plane on the runway together so that we can see all the bumps and bruises, all the falls, all the trials, all the triumphs, all the testimony, and all of that all along the way. So now my bowl is sitting here getting cold because I get excited when I start talking about this. So my goal is literally to have you guys kind of walk along with me. So not going to be on here long. I just wanted to hop on, give you kind of a little bit of heads up that it's coming. If you are not subscribed over on YouTube, definitely get subscribed over on YouTube. All of my platforms say Martina Britt Yelverton or Martina BY. So you can find me on most of them. Facebook. I wouldn't do Instagram. I haven't done anything on Instagram yet.
YouTube.
Yes, definitely on YouTube. Here on Facebook, the designs. Yeah, I have the Twitter set up. And that's why I love Facebook, because I let Facebook post to Twitter. I'll let you wave at the youth lifestyle trainees in just a moment. But you said no.
No.
You saying no too? You don't want to wave today either. But just to give you a heads up, follow me on those channels, subscribe to me on those channels, friend me on those channels, because even though I may be recording it here, I'm going to multi-purpose it across multiple channels and show you how I do that as well. We're just looking to activate some of these visions. I am a brand master. In case I did not introduce myself, I do apologize. I am a brand master, and I work with startup network marketers. I work with startup entities and small businesses who are just trying to get their foot in the door, who are trying to come up with what their thoughts and ideas are and put them in some type of organized plan so they can move forward. A lot of people have no idea how to work with inside of a network marketing company, or how to work within or inside of their own businesses, and then how to make that transition from being an associate or a representative of a company to getting out and stepping out and being their own representation of their own selves, their own values, their own gifts and talents. And that's where I kind of come in and help you guys kind of formulate that. And so that is my goal with this Activate Your 2020 Vision plan is literally to help you guys look at what you want to do and how to actually get it done, and how to get it done in an organized fashion. Okay, so that's going to be my time for today, because you all know, you all that are on here that are my Brand Master clients, you all know I can talk about branding all day long, have a great time, enjoy it, and never shut up. But that's not the purpose of the day. So I just wanted to let you know what is coming. Definitely get friended, get following, get subscribed. Go ahead and select the bell so that you're notified whenever I go live, so you don't miss a day of this 2020 Activate Your Vision in 2020 plan. So that is my time for today. I hope to talk to you guys soon. Again, Martina Britt Yelverton. Follow, subscribe, select the bell, and all that good stuff. And I'll look forward to seeing you over the course of the 20-day plan. Talk to you guys soon.